Wow, this is gorgeous. Welcome to Ek Balam. Chichen Itza is like the tourist magnet. Ek Balam is not that known yet. I think that is the main reason why it's still so untouched, and almost we have the entire pyramid to ourselves. Tucked in the heart of Yucatán, Mexico, Ek Balam is an extraordinary ancient Mayan archaeological site. People traveling to Cancun generally travel to Chichen Itza, but having visited both Chichen Itza and Ek Balam, I think it makes great sense to do a stopover at Valladolid and plan a visit to Ek Balam, which is very unique. Ek Balam, meaning black jaguar in the Mayan language, a site that covers approximately 12 square kilometers with much of its splendor still hidden beneath the jungle canopy, awaiting exploration and excavation. So why is Ek Balam visit different from, say, visiting the much more famous Chichen Itza? Well, to me the biggest differentiator is that this is one of the last very few remaining Mayan pyramids which you can climb up to the top. And that in itself makes it unforgettable in my opinion. Apart from that, it's also very tranquil. You can enjoy the ruins at your own pace. There are less souvenir sellers, and at times you can have the whole place to yourself. If you are renting a car, you can simply just drive up. Most likely in that case, you can make your base at Valladolid, as from there you can also do Chichen Itza and some other most visited places. We started from Valladolid early in the morning. We were not driving and hence came to the Colectivo site early, but instead ended up hiring a taxi. 50 pesos for the full trip, but we have the full taxi, so I think it's okay. Let's just go and enjoy Ek Balam. I think guys, the most important thing is to brush up your Spanish, at least the basics, otherwise you end up paying a lot more. I can just get rid of the seat belt and it's amazing experience. Ek Balam 7 kilometers. Just 17 miles away, we reached Ek Balam around 9 AM. Your visit will start at the parking lot where you can park or get dropped off by the Colectivo or taxi. Gracias. Reached at 8:30, so I think we can take some advantage. And yeah, while going back, you will get the taxi, so that should be fine. A short walk to the Palapa building. Here, you have bathroom facility, snack kiosks, and the site entrance ticket counters. Guys, looks like we are the first customers. Hola. Next window we have to pay tax. Okay, that is 285 again. Okay, alright, gracias. I got the ticket.
Each one ticket is 95. I think totally 200.
Even kid? Even Nino, same price?
Yes, it's the same price for the children.
Okay. After this, there is a short walk to the main complex. For an immersive experience, consider hiring a local guide who can provide in-depth knowledge about Ek Balam's history.
You can see the royal tomb, the facade, the hieroglyphic. We have a royal tomb intact. Was found 24 years ago.
This is the place where you have to go to, the ruins.
Bienvenido a Ek Balam.
Okay. Gracias. They will check the tickets at a couple of places, and then you will be guided through this green arrows and try to hit this place as early as possible. You can already see the ruins. Ek Balam means the jaguar. Amazing. As you step into Ek Balam, you'll be greeted by the entrance arch. Oh God, it's so beautiful. Then you go past the oval structure, which we will keep for later. But yeah, you literally can see, can go into the pyramids. Wow. Wander through the plaza, where
Amazing.
you'll discover smaller structures and residential complexes. And it's very nicely guided, well directed site. So there will be many small such pyramid type of structures. That you can climb. But I think the main pyramid is right in front. Ek Balam, it was used till 1680. But yeah, I mean, right in front, what you see, this is unbelievable. And from the top, once we climb, there is a 360-degree view of the green canopy, the lush greenery everywhere. I think that is what makes it so special. Just look at the structure. Oh my God, unbelievable. Gorgeous. The main attraction here is the awe-inspiring Acropolis, a towering structure that dominates the landscape. Standing at around 95 feet height, it is a true masterpiece, telling a story of the Mayan civilization that once thrived here. So climbing up, the steps are pretty steep, right?
Yes.
Yeah. But that's okay, we'll manage. Yeah. There are these thatched portions. I think one more there. And this is the kind of view that you start getting as you gain elevation. Not from there, from here. This seems very steep, but doable, of course.
You don't need a break, of course.
On the fourth level sits a thatched temple with unique stucco facades. This sets it apart from other Mayan sites and provides insights into the religious and cultural practices of the ancient civilization. It just gets better as we climb up. Feel the ancient energy as you climb up the Acropolis. It's a little bit of... Okay. Be careful, okay? And we reached the top. From its summit, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding jungle. Take a moment to appreciate the biodiversity surrounding Ek Balam. The lush vegetation add a natural dimension to your exploration. We Just wanted to check what is on the other edge. Just checking it out. Influential these cultures were, but then with the Spanish colonists, it was all lost. I just walked to the back of the Ek Balam pyramid, trying to understand the restoration process that they're doing. Yeah. I think this is how they found it. In the jungles. And in 1997 is what I read that this site restoration started. So earlier it was just mold, I think mold or kind of a place filled with jungle. Might have been so incredible for the person who saw it for the first time. Stairs all the way. Oh yeah, circle of the pyramid.
We found it by accident. But let me show you.
I made a full circle around the place, yeah.
How is it? Good?
Very good. Next to the Great Pyramid, you have the arena. Marvel at the Ballcourt, imagining the spirited games that once took place in this historic arena. Wander through the plaza, where you'll discover smaller structures and residential complexes. Does not really have a structure of a pyramid, but it's a high platform. Yeah, that's the one right there. You can climb atop that. The top of the Oval Palace offers great views. Guys, you have to hit this because from here you get a very unique perspective of the actual pyramid. So don't cheap out on climbing this. You should be here. Oval Palace has 10 rooms at the first level, 2 more rooms at the top level. The top level also has a small temple. Bye bye Mayan Pyramid Ek Balam.
Bye bye, Ek Balam.
Yeah, we are exiting now. And finally, don't forget to visit the Cenote X-Canche,
170 submission. You can stay all day in the Cenote.
a natural sinkhole nearby. Just 1 kilometer away from the ruin site, you can walk to it or rent a bike. Cool off in its refreshing waters or simply marvel at the natural beauty surrounding it. So supposedly there will be either taxis or collectivas outside at the parking. So from there we are going to look at our options and then we'll decide. But for now, this was a great experience of Ek Balam. That's all in this episode from the magical Ek Balam, an ancient testament to Mayan history and culture. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.